Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 5th of February and we are going to my in-laws at Biswanath. Let's begin the journey. There's some kind of ceremony, so it will be very excited. There will be some new experiences for me too and as well as for you. So just follow my journey. Guys, we have just started our journey even though it's raining outside. As you can see the glass as we have to reach RD, so we are now heading home. Rong nang kili lo jonon tangke walangi solai konform lo hem kili populo rong nang dot elo heriaku te haladak halidet senang cetong lilnang non tangke hem dalidak ko nilitum non hem nang le at pen jo chik thang at lo pini bang ke haladak mondir ansi 5 February long a celebration along non kidun popular singbi hi punot hi अभी जा रहा है दर्शन करने के लिए और ये है मिस्टर अजीत आज तो पूरा कार्बी ड्रेस पहना हुआ है. So friends, we are now in the premises of Karbi Lokhimon temple here at Bhoralijuli, Biswanath district. Every year on this day, the 5th of February, the Karbi people of Lokhimon believers gathered here to celebrate and offer prayers to seek blessings for the whole villagers. They also seek blessings and prayers through songs and dance like kirtan. Guys, here I'm experiencing for the first time, so this is how the Lokhimon believers they are celebrating or glorifying Lokhimon religion. Pugi hand hang song bah barap tado amen ang chuthanon thang yang men pila ha longbi akor ke teron inke nang ke bangso sarmon sinar inke nangke saron sing thangchu inke puke
Vida Singh
inke puke bangso ke
Rahul Teron
ne YouTube channel la long mo na klang ko na thade yang tu phone So guys, that is the end of today's video. This is my first time experiencing Lokhimon's prayer celebration. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.